Thought challenging exercise by the National Learning Network. When dealing with distressing thoughts, it is helpful to distinguish between the facts or evidence and the opinions. A fact has evidence to support the truth, which is undisputed and is driven by rational thought. An opinion is our own personal perspective that is changeable and is driven by our emotions. At stressful times, we tend to be driven by our emotions and opinions, which creates a vicious cycle by fueling each other. Our emotions strengthen our opinions, which in turn intensifies our emotions. Emotions drive opinions, and opinions drive emotions. Facts are what we need to focus on in order to make helpful changes. Reacting to our opinions is pointless and upsetting. Asking ourselves, is this a fact or opinion, helps us to pull back from our distress and diffuse from the unhelpful thinking. You can use the following thought-challenging exercise of the court case to identify between facts and opinions to reduce distress. Choose your most distressing thought and put it in the dock in a courtroom. Think about what is the evidence that says your thought is 100% true. Also think, what evidence is there that says your thought is not true? Only strong, concrete evidence, such as facts, can be upheld in court. Think again about your thought. Is it a fact which gives you strong evidence in court which suggests it is true, or is it a personal opinion? Let's look at an example. Let's say you think you have failed your exams. Try to look at the evidence that supports or opposes this thought. The concrete evidence or facts that oppose the thought that you have failed your exams suggest you attended all your lectures, submitted and passed all your continuous assessment, had a good study plan which you stuck to, and passed your midterm tests. The evidence that supports the belief that you did fail your exams is you feel you did not do enough and you could have done better. This clearly is your own opinion and not concrete. Now let's weigh up the evidence. The jury decides the verdict based on the concrete evidence and not opinion. We can see that there is more evidence suggesting that you have passed your exams than your opinion that you have failed them. This therefore dismisses the original thought of, I think I failed my exams, and changes it to, from the evidence given, it seems that there is a good chance that I pass my exams. This shows us that the original thought was driven by personal opinion rather than fact, which should reduce your distress and anxiety. So when you notice a distressing thought, use the court case example and identify if your thought is being driven by facts or opinions.